I'm Tim Neubauer, and this is your safety moment. We're up to section 14 of the Safety Data Sheet Explained series. In this section, transportation is discussed. It is a non-mandatory topic according to 1910-1200 Appendix D. The transportation section of the SDS is the third of those non-mandatory sections. This section falls under the purview of the Department of Transportation, and OSHA does not mandate the content in this section. Content listed by the manufacturer of the chemicals in section 14 include the UN identification elements, such as the UN number and name, in addition to hazard classification, packaging groups, environmental hazards, bulk transportation requirements, and any other special requirements for transportation. There are 7 lines in this section, the first being the UN number, otherwise known as the United Nations number. It is a 4-digit code used to identify hazardous materials and articles, such as explosives, flammable items, and toxic substances. The next line is a UN proper shipping name. A proper shipping name is the standard technical name to describe the hazard properties and the composition of dangerous goods. You need to choose a UN number first, and a proper shipping name from the dangerous goods list that can most accurately describe the dangerous goods. Transport hazard classes. On this line, placarding and signage follow 9 classes of hazardous materials. The first being explosive. Second, gases. Third, flammable liquids and combustible liquids. Fourth, flammable solids, spontaneously combustible and dangerous when wet. 5, oxidizer and organic peroxide. 6, poisons, toxic and poison inhalation hazards. 7, radioactive. 8, corrosive. 9, miscellaneous. The next line in this section is packaging groups, only if applicable. A packaging group of substances, other than those listed in hazard classifications 2, 6, and 7, in accordance with the degree of danger, are present. Packing group 1, substances presenting high danger. Packing group 2, substances presenting medium danger. And lastly, packing group 3, substances presenting low danger. The next line in this section, environmental hazards, such as marine pollutants, are simply answered yes or no. Are they present? Again, this line is optional, and the content is actually yes or no. The next line, transportation in bulk, is dictated by MARPOL and IBC codes. This line only applies when cargoes are intended to be carried in bulk. The final line in this section is special precautions, which a user needs to be aware of or needs to comply with in connection with transportation or conveyance either within or outside their premise. Call Exceed Safety for more information or to schedule your HazCom training today. Exceed Safety and Tim Neubauer are restricted by a non-compete in some geographic areas and clients until May 4th of 2023. Please call for more information. I'm Tim Neubauer, and this has been your Safety Moment.
Exceed Safety, the consulting you need. Exceed Safety, expectations exceeded. So call 919-728-SAFE.